If you're on the hunt for one of the best gaming PCs under $1,000, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is an outstanding choice. For around $950, you get a good combination of high-end specs and features, solid functionality, and affordability, along with a colossal amount of storage space, impressive overall GPU and CPU performance for smooth gameplay, and compatibility with VR headsets. It has a sleek black design with a transparent glass side panel to see the interior, which utilizes RGB fans to maintain an optimal internal temperature. It also comes with a keyboard and a 7-color RGB gaming mouse to save you some money on peripherals. You get a solid number of ports, including HDMI and a DisplayPort, 6 USB 3.1 inputs, and 2 USB 2.0 jacks, plus an RJ45 network Ethernet port and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi support. Even more, I like that it has 7.1 channel audio that provides a realistic soundscape and more accurate stereo imaging. It features a powerful Intel Core i5 processor with clock speeds up to 2.9 GHz that delivers responsive performance considering the price, but the overclocking headroom is less impressive. You also get an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super Graphics card with 6 GB of video memory, which can easily run most AAA titles with smooth frame rates at higher settings. It utilizes DirectX 12 technology to provide quicker processing for higher frame rates and better graphics. While the 8 GB of RAM moderately limits performance and playback, this is common for pre-built PCs, and you get an outstanding 500 GB of NVMe SSD storage. Even more, it's compatible with some VR headsets, such as the HTC Vive and the Oculus Rift. I think the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is the best gaming PC you can get for under $1,000. It comes with several useful gamer-friendly features, a gamer-oriented aesthetic with colorful RGB lighting, and impressive specifications that will suit nearly any player looking in this price range. Now, for anyone who wants the best AMD gaming PC under $1,000, the iBUYPOWER Trace 4 MR could suit your needs. You don't always have to pay a lot for quality, and the $800 iBUYPOWER Trace 4 MR comes with a speedy AMD processor and some solid features. It gives you a smooth 1080p gaming experience, vibrant RGB lighting with a host of colors, and a respectable dedicated graphics card. You get a sturdy build with a transparent tempered glass casing that allows you to see the interior, which has bright RGB fans that can display 16 colors. Unfortunately, it lacks USB-C compatibility, but it comes with 4 USB 3.0 ports for your peripherals, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet and HDMI ports, plus a DisplayPort. I also like that it has 7.1 channel sound to improve your in-game directional audio for a more immersive experience. Even more, it comes with a keyboard and an RGB gaming mouse and pre-installed Windows 10. It utilizes an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor with maximum turbo clock speeds up to 4.2 GHz, which is powerful enough for browsing, photo editing, and moderately intensive computing tasks. You also get a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT graphics card that's VR ready and delivers playable frame rates with most newer games in 1080p, although it's not adequate for 4K gaming. It also has 8 GB of RAM to help optimize your system's performance, and it can easily be upgraded if needed. Unfortunately, the 240 GB of storage is less than many competitors in this range, but it gets the job done and keeps the cost relatively low. The iBUYPOWER Trace 4 MR comes with a solid mid-tier AMD processor that supports most modern AAA games. You get responsive and versatile overall gaming performance, an included mouse with bright RGB lighting, and several upgradable components. I think this is suitable for beginners and experienced players looking for a solid sub-$1,000 PC. If you're looking for a compact gaming PC under $1,000, the HP Pavilion is our top choice. It costs about $790 and comes with an impressive number of bells and whistles. It gives you a speedy processor with solid gaming performance, lightning-fast solid-state drive speed, and a wide range of upgradable hardware components in a compact frame that only weighs about 13 pounds. It provides a generous array of ports to connect your peripherals, which includes 4 first-gen USB 3.1 ports, a future-proofed USB Type-C port, 4 USB 2.0 jacks on the rear, an HDMI slot, a 3.5mm jack to connect headphones or a microphone, a DVI-D slot, and a DisplayPort. It even comes with a wired keyboard and mouse for added value. You get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connectivity, and it has Windows 10 Home pre-installed. I also like that it utilizes 5.1 surround sound to provide a more immersive gaming experience. I think the 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor is a solid add-on, and the maximum clock speed of 4.1 GHz is fast enough for most computing tasks. It comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super GPU with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory that delivers solid performance with AAA game titles at mid to high settings. You also get 8 GB of RAM to deliver smoother browsing and gaming performance, and it has a free RAM slot if you want to upgrade the specs. Unfortunately, the 256 GB storage space is relatively limited for avid gamers, but the high SSD speeds can help reduce load times, and its multi-user MIMO support provides a lower latency connection. The HP Pavilion gaming desktop delivers solid functionality. It comes with a powerful processor, several gamer-friendly features to improve your gameplay, and a wealth of connection options. I think the compact size will suit a variety of spaces, and it offers versatile gaming performance. For any gamers looking for an Intel gaming PC under $1,000 that delivers on value, the Alarco gaming PC might be your best option. Priced at $530, the Alarco gaming PC comes with an Intel processor that delivers a solid price-to-performance ratio. You get a unique and gamer-oriented aesthetic, a robust multi-fan cooling system to maintain optimal performance, and a dedicated video card for smoother playback. The sturdy metallic chassis has a see-through tempered glass side panel that allows you to see inside. It has 3 120mm fans that provide effective ventilation to prevent overheating, and they're equipped with bright and well-mixed RGB lighting, so it should fit into most gaming setups. You also get a remote control to conveniently adjust the fan speed and lighting effects, which is a nice add-on for the price. It provides a solid amount of ports, including 3 USB 3.0 ports and 4 USB 2.0 slots, along with DVI, VGA, and HDMI ports. While it's not the most powerful available, it utilizes an Intel Core i5 2400 CPU with speeds up to 3.1 GHz that delivers relatively quick performance. Unfortunately, it's unable to handle more demanding modern games, but it has a decent NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650 video card that gets the job done with smaller games. It can also run some titles such as Fortnite with playable frame rates on lower settings. Even more, you get a solid 8 GB of RAM for smoother playback and solid multitasking, along with a massive 1 TB of hard drive storage space. I also appreciate that a Wi-Fi card is pre-installed, which makes setting it up hassle-free. The Alarco gaming PC is a solid sub-$1,000 option that gives you a good bang for your buck. It comes with some impressive features such as built-in RGB lighting and solid gaming performance. I would recommend this for anyone who wants good value. If you're looking for an affordable Intel gaming PC under $1,000, the Acer Aspire TC might be the best option for you. Some inexpensive gaming PCs outperform expectations, like the $510 Acer Aspire TC, which comes with a powerful Intel processor and a robust feature set. You get impressive and versatile performance for the price, a sleek design with a compact footprint, and a range of connectivity options. It comes in a black chassis with a compact frame. You get a range of ports to connect your preferred peripherals, including dual HDMI ports, an Ethernet jack, 3.5mm headphone and mic jacks, several USB 3.1 and 2.0 ports, and a USB-C port to connect newer devices. Even more, you get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities for versatile wireless connectivity. I also like that it comes with a keyboard and mouse, although they're relatively basic. It even comes with 5.1 channel surround sound, which delivers a more accurate stereo image and an immersive gaming experience. Unfortunately, the interior is relatively cramped, but it's easily accessible for maintenance or hardware upgrades. You get an Intel Core i5 6-core processor with clock speeds up to 4.3 GHz, and it delivers solid performance for casual gaming. It has 12 GB of RAM to deliver respectable multitasking capabilities, which is impressive considering the affordable price. It also comes with a generous 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage, and it has an SD card slot if you need to expand the capacity. Even though the integrated Intel UHD Graphics 630 processor isn't powerful enough for competitive gamers, you get impressive performance and decent frame rates with less intensive games. The Acer Aspire TC is a solid gaming PC with surprising performance. It offers adequate performance with lighter gaming, 5.1 channel surround sound for accurate in-game audio cues, and decent overall specifications. I would recommend this for anyone looking for a solid and versatile PC at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.